Everybody, let us start limit chapter for your book. The limit sum formula I have given before. Let me discuss the sums. I am starting here section 2 using standard limit formula. Okay. The first question is limit x tend to 2 x to the power 5 minus 32 divided by x minus 2. 32 means what? 32 means 2 to the power 5. Means limit x tend to 2 x to the power 5 minus 2 to the power 5 divided by x minus 2. Now applying the formula here, the answer will be, the 5 will come outside power, 5 into here 2 to the power 5 minus 1, that is coming 2 to the power 4. The final answer will be 16 into 5, it will be how much? 80. See, I am writing the formula here. Limit x tend to a x to the power n minus a to the power n by x minus a. The formula is n into a to the power n minus 1. Here a means here what? 2, just to compare. Here a means is equal to 2. Okay, x tend to 2, here x tend to a. And what is the n? N here power. Here n also power. And here n is what? 5. That means what is the formula? N into, n means here 5. 5 into a means what? 2. 2 to the power 5 minus 1 here. 5 minus 1 is what? 4. 2 to the 4 is 16. This is the way of solving number 3 first part using standard limit. This chapter is very vital for class 11 and this will continue up to class BCom also. BCom honors the students are getting. They have also the same chapter. Therefore, this chapter is very vital for 11, 12 up to graduation. Just have to follow the process of solving using the formula here. The formula clear, I think. Limit x tend to a x to the power n minus a to the power n by x minus a. The answer is n into a to the power n minus 1. I have written the formula here. Okay, let us go next question. Question number second part. Limit x tend to 1 x to the power 1 by 3 given minus 1 by x minus 1. See here, this 1 I can write here 1 to the power 1 by 3 because 1 to the power anything means any power, that will be 1 except 0. If I do 0 also, that will come 1 also. Therefore, I can write here 1 to the power 1 by 3 because here x to the power 1 by 3. Therefore, minus 1 to the power 1 by 3. Here n means what? 1 by 3. And what is the value of a? X tend to a means here 1. Now compare the formula here. The power will come here 1 by 3 into a means here 1 to the power n minus 1. N means what? 1 by 3 minus 1. So finally you are getting how much? Minus 2 by 3. So 1 to the power minus 2 means 1 it will be. The final answer is 1 by 3. I hope you are able to understand. Okay, let us go next part. Number 3. See the question number 3. Limit x tend to 0 given e to the power 3x minus 1 by x. See here given e power 3x. Means I have to write here 3x. But here 3x not present. I have to multiply here 3. To adjust here, I have to multiply here 3. Just see here, I have written here. 3 whole into limit x tend to 0 e to the power 3x minus 1 by 3x. Why I multiplied here 3? Because I have to write e to the 3x means I have to write here 3x. 3 is not there before in the question. I multiplied here 3 and here also I multiplied 3. That means 3 is adjusted. Okay. Now what is the answer? That will become 3 into 1, that is 3. Because the formula is limit x tend to 0 e to the power x minus 1 by x. The answer is 1. Means e power e to the power x means that should be x here. If e to the power 5x, then I have to write here 5x. If it is given e to the power x square, I have to write here x square. If it is given e to the power sin x, I have to write here sin x. Then answer will be 1. Okay. Next question, number 4th part. See, the question given limit x tend to 0 e to the power minus 2x minus 1 by x. That means here I have to write here minus 2. Anyway, I have to write here minus 2x. That means I have to adjust here. How will I adjust? That means I have to multiply here minus 2 here and minus 2x. To get minus 2x, I have to multiply here minus 2. This minus 2 and this minus 2 will be adjusted here. Why I am writing here? Because e power minus 2x given. Anyway, I have to write here minus 2x. Okay, means I have to multiply here minus 2 and here on whole I have to multiply here minus 2. Now this answer will be how much? As per the formula, e to the power x minus 1 by x. The answer is 1. Therefore, this will be 1. Minus 2 into 1 is how much? Minus 2. Okay, I hope you are able to understand. Total 4 questions I have completed. Number 3. Next I am doing number 5. Just see. See the question number 5th part. Limit x tend to 0. 5 to the power x minus 1 by x. Just to see the formula I have written here. Limit x tend to 0. A to the power x minus 1 by x. You have to memorize. The answer is log a. So just compare here. Here a to the power x, here given 5 to the power, here a equal to 5. The answer is log 5. Directly you have to write the answer. Short type question here. 1 mark carry question. Limit x tend to 0, 5 to the power x minus 1 by x. Answer is log 5. Let us go next number. Number 6th part. See here, limit x tend to 0, e to the power 3x minus e to the power minus 3x given. Whole divided by x. How to simplify this one? See here, e to the power negative power given. I have to make it positive power. Means as for the exponent form, exponent chapter, indices chapter, you have done in class 9. This is 1 by e to the power 3x. After taking LCM, this will be e to the 6x minus 1 by e to the 3x. That e to the 3x will come down. How will I write here? Just I have written here, see. Limit x tend to 0, e to the power 6x minus 1 by e to the 3x. After taking LCM, this one. LCM will how much? E to the 3x. The answer is e to the 6x minus 1 by e to the 3x by x. Now see, limit x tend to 0, e to the 6x minus 1 by x into e to the 3x. Now you have to separate here. Limit x tend to 0, 1 by e to the 3x into limit x tend to 0, e to the 6x minus 1 by 6x. So what is the answer of this one? Because I need here 6. Because e power 6x means I have to write here 6x. 6 is not there before. Before it was how much given? That is x given. That means I have to multiply here 6. I have to multiply here also 6. So this is answer is 1. So finally the 6 is here. What is the answer? Okay. See, 1 by e to the power 0. I have to write here x equal to 0 here directly. No formula required here. E power 0 means how much? 1. And the formula for e to the 6x minus 1 by 6x, it will how much? That is also 1. And the 6 I have multiplied here. I am writing here 6. The total answer will be 6. Okay. This is the way of solving number 6th part. Okay. Slight difficult. But adjustment required. You have to just adjust. See the question. E to the minus 3x given. You have to write here 1 by 2 3x. Taking LCM, it will be e to the 6x minus 1 by e to the 6x. E to the 3x. That will come down here. Just algebraic simulation is required. Now you have to separate here 1 by e to the 3x into limit x tend to 0, e to the power 6x minus 1 by 6x into 6. Because this 6 you have to multiply it here and here. Then answer is 6. Let us go next sum. 7th part. See the 7th part question given 1 plus x cube root. This is given. This means cube root minus 1 by x. How to write here? Just see limit x tend to 0. 1 plus x whole to the power cube root means 1 by 3 power minus. Here you can write here 1 to the power 1 by 3. Here the denominator given x, I have to write in this way 1 plus x minus 1. Because 1 will be cancelled here. 1 plus x minus 1. Okay. Let 1 plus x is equal to u. If I write here 1 plus x equal to u, so this will be u to the power 1 by 3, 1 to the power 1 by 3. And here u minus 1. Where u is x plus 1. If I write here x plus 1, that will be x will come, 1 will be cancelled out. Now it is converted to formula here. Yes or no? Limit x u tend to 1, e to the power 1 by 3 minus 1 to the power 1 by 3 divided by u minus 1. So what is the formula here? Power will come here 1 by 3. Then a means here 1 a to the power 1 by 3 minus 1, n minus 1. The final answer is 1 by 3. The formula here I have written here again, repeating for you convenient. Limit extend to a, x to the power n minus a to the power n by x minus 1. The answer is n into a to the power n minus 1. Okay, this is the way of solving the 7th part of number 3. Let us go next part. See the next part, 8th part. Limit extend to 0. Question given like this: log 1 plus 2x by x. Okay, see here log 1 plus 2x means I have to write here 2x. 2 is not there. How to do? You have to multiply 2 here, and here I have to multiply 2. This 2 and this 2 will be adjusted here. Yes or no? The answer is 1 by 2x log 1 plus 2x. Log 1 plus how much is there? That much should be denominator. The formula is, I am writing here the formula is, see, limit extend to 0, log 1 plus x divided by x, the answer is 1. Log 1 plus x whole divided by x, the answer is 1. Okay, the answer is 1. Just you have to apply the formula in this question. That's the same thing here. Limit extend to 0, log 1 plus 2x by 2x. The answer is here 1. So 2 into 1 is how much? 2. This is the answer. Okay, number 8th part. Let us go 9th part. Just see the question 9th part. Limit extend to 0, log 1 minus 3x given here by x. Means I have to write here 3, because log 1 minus 3x by minus 3x, then answer will be 1. So minus 3 is not here, only x is there, then I have to multiply here minus 3. I multiplied here minus 3, and that minus 3 is multiplied here also to adjust. Why I am multiplying? Because log 1 minus 3x by minus 3, this will be 1, no doubt. So I am writing here minus 3 into 1, answer is minus 1, just previous formula. Okay, let us go 10th part of next number. See, limit extend to 0, e to the power 2x minus 1 by 1 plus x root over minus 1. If this type of question coming in the exam, you have to rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator, you have to multiply 1 plus x root over plus 1 both up and down. I multiplied here 1 plus x root over plus 1. I multiplied both numerator as well as denominator. Why I am multiplying here? To rationalize. Then it will be how much? A square a plus b, a minus b formula is what? A square minus b square. The answer is 1 plus a root over whole square, 1 plus x, and 1 whole square is 1. 1 cancel, x left. Okay, x left. Now you can you have to separate here like this. E to the 2x minus 1 by, I have to write here 2x, but x coming here. I multiply 2 here. See 2 and here 2x. To simplify here means it is formula came e to the 2x minus 1 by 2x, and x tend to 0 means 2x also tends to 0. The answer is 1. The 2 into 1. Okay, 2 into 1. And here I have separated here limit 1 plus x root over plus 1. This is coming here. Now put the value of x 0 here. 1 plus 0 means 1. 1 root over is 1. 1 plus 1 written here. The final how much will it? 2. 2 to the 4. Answer is 4. Okay. This is the way of solving number. It's slightly difficult. You have to rationalize the denominator. The answer will come. Okay. If the question is like this, you have to rationalize the denominator. Let's go next part. Number 4. See the question number 4. Evaluate the following limit. Number 4, first part. Limit extend to 0. E to the power 3x minus e to the power minus 3x by x. The same already I have discussed here. Just repeated the question here. Negative power given, you have to write to 1 by 2 3x, taking LCM e to the power 6x minus 1. Okay. By e to the 3x. Same thing you have to adjust here. 6 multiplied here, 6 here, and 1 by 2 3x separated here. Now this answer is what? 1. 6 into 1. E to the 0 is how much? 1. Putting the directly the value of x here, because here there is no formula. Here the formula is e to the power x minus 1 by x, and extend to 0. That the answer is 1. 6 into 1 and here into 1. How much? This is answer is 6. This is the first part I have completed. Let us go to the second part. See the question given like this. Limit h tend to 0. E to the power 2h minus 1 and divided by e to the 3h minus 1. See, this is the question given. If I divide h both numerator as well as denominator, then this will be convenient to apply the formula here. limit h tends to 0 e to the 2h minus 1. I have tried here 2h. Means how to do? 2 you have to multiply, here 2. Limit h tends to 0 to e to the 2h minus 1 by 2h, 2 whole. Denominator is what? Limit h tends to 0 e to 3h minus 1 by h. I have to multiply here 3. See, 3 multiplied, here also 3 multiplied to adjust. Now this is coming 2 into 1, denominator 3 into 1. This is answer is what? Last answer is 2 by 3. Okay. I hope you are able to understand the number of 4 second part. Let us go next part of number 4. See, number third part given like this. Limit x tends to 0, 4 to the power x minus 1 by 2x. 4 means what? 2 whole square. So this will be converted to 2 to the 2x minus 1 by 2x. So what is the formula here? Same formula as is before discussed. Limit x tends to 0, a to the power x minus 1 by x. The answer is log a, because here a means here log a. If it is e, then answer is 1, but if it is given a, the answer is log a. So what is the answer here? Log 2. Okay. Let us go number fourth part of number 4. Question is given like this. See, limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x whole to the power 5 minus 1 by x. Okay. Taking 1 plus x as u, so this will be u to the power 5. U to the power 5 minus 1, and the denominator will be u minus 1. The formula coming, limit u tends to 1 if x tends to 0. If I put 1 plus x equal to, if x is 0, u will be how much? 1. Therefore u tends to 1. U to the power 5 minus 1 to the power 5, because 1 to the 5 means 1, by u minus 1. The formula will be 5 into a means here 1. 1 to the power 5 minus 1. The answer is 5 into 1, 5. Let us go fifth part. This is the last part of number 4. Just see, limit x tends to 1, log x by x minus 1. You take x minus 1 as u. So what is the result for x? X is equal to u plus 1. Minus 1 take that as u plus 1. If x tends to 1, given here limit x tends to 1, if I put x equal to 1 here, the u will be how much? 0. So the function will be converted like this. Limit u tends to 0, log x means what? U plus 1 or 1 plus u. And here x minus 1, I have tried here u. Now the formula converted, log 1 plus u by u, and u tends to 0. The formula is already written before. Limit x tends to 0, 1 by x log 1 plus x equal to how much? 1. The final answer here is 1. Okay. I hope you are able to understand. Total 10 sum I have completed, 15 sum I have completed, number 4 5 sum, and number 3 10 sum. Total 15 sum completed. Try to complete in your home the remaining sums from your book exercise. Thank you for today's class.